Before you consider buying Hotels Viva, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know to make sure it's the right fit for you. Stick around until the end, because these insights could save you a lot of time and money, especially when compared to other hotel booking solutions on the market. First off, let's talk about what makes Hotels Viva stand out. If you've been using other hotel booking platforms like Booking.com or Expedia, you might notice a difference right from the start. Hotels Viva is designed for a more streamlined, personalized experience. What I found is that it's not just about finding a hotel, it's about finding the right hotel for your needs. From boutique stays to luxury resorts, Hotels Viva tailors its search results based on your preferences, making it a lot easier to find exactly what you're looking for. The second thing to consider is pricing. Hotels Viva has been praised for offering competitive rates, and from my experience, it's one of the best for delivering value. But the kicker? If you sign up through the first link below, you can get a completely free trial to check it out for yourself. I've tested it against some of the big names in the hotel booking space, and Hotels Viva regularly outperforms them on price while offering the same, if not better, quality accommodations. Next thing, customer service. If you've ever dealt with a slow or unhelpful customer support team, you know how frustrating that can be. What's great about Hotels Viva is that they really seem to prioritize this. I've used their support system a few times, and each time, they've been quick, responsive, and genuinely helpful. In comparison to the massive customer service teams at places like Expedia, I found Hotels Viva more personal and on point with their responses. The fourth thing you need to know is how simple it is to use. Whether you're tech savvy or just want something that works without a hassle, Hotels Viva's interface is incredibly user-friendly. While other platforms can sometimes feel cluttered or overly complex, Hotels Viva keeps everything straightforward. You can easily filter your search by price, amenities, or location, and the booking process is a breeze. Another point is the variety of hotels available. If you're someone who loves unique stays, this is where Hotels Viva shines. Unlike the bigger booking platforms, which can sometimes only show you the well-known chains, Hotels Viva offers a wider range of boutique hotels, local gems, and hidden treasures. It's perfect for travelers who want something different from the standard options. Sixth, let's talk about reviews and ratings. Reviews are obviously a big deal when booking your next stay. I've noticed that Hotels Viva pulls in more detailed reviews, often from guests who stayed at the same hotel recently, making them feel more relevant and reliable. If you're used to sifting through thousands of generic reviews on other sites, you'll appreciate the transparency here. And finally, we get to the loyalty program. If you're a frequent traveler, you'll definitely want to know about this. Hotels Viva's loyalty rewards are not only easy to earn, but they can also be used for significant discounts or free nights at participating hotels. Compared to competitors like Booking.com's Genius program, Hotels Viva offers more tangible rewards with fewer hoops to jump through. So there you have it, 7 key things you need to know about Hotels Viva before buying. It's clear that this platform has a lot to offer compared to its competitors, and the best part is you can try it for free through the first link in the description. If you want to experience these benefits yourself, make sure you click that link to get the best offer and exclusive perks. Trust me, once you've tried Hotels Viva, you'll understand why it's becoming such a popular choice for travelers.